Strict isolation until further notice, with full tests and medical checkups now taking place. The message from the French Prime Minister after one of the 5 French people flown back to France from the cruise ship struck by a deadly hantavirus outbreak showed signs of and has now been confirmed as having hantavirus. Well, the French Health Minister has been speaking. Let's hear what they had to say.
This person was on the cruise ship, returned yesterday, took a turn for the worse and has tested positive for the hantavirus. So this is a patient with the hantavirus who is being treated at a hospital specialising in infectious diseases, where the rooms are equipped with advanced technology designed to provide a high level of protection and, of course, prevent the virus from spreading.
Well, earlier, a series of chartered flights left from the Spanish island of Tenerife, where the ship had docked, carrying passengers home via Paris, Madrid, Manchester and Eindhoven. 1 US passenger has also tested positive. In all, over 90 passengers from more than 20 countries. Well, we can cross now, in fact, to the hospital here in Paris, where those 5 cases, or 5 potential cases, but 1 confirmed, are being treated. Talk to our reporter who joins us from there, Claire Paccalin. Claire, bring us up to date then with the latest that you're hearing there on the situation.
So here in the Hôpital Bichat in the north of Paris, 5 French nationals, as you mentioned, Stuart, who were repatriated yesterday. They landed at Le Bourget airport to the north of the capital as well. One of those people has tested positive. The woman, she, along with those 4 others, are being isolated in the hospital. For now, we understand from the French Health Minister speaking earlier today, Stephanie Rist, that the 4 others have tested negative. But of course, they will be tested regularly in the upcoming days. And for the foreseeable future, until further notice, all 5 of those French nationals will be isolated. We understand that a small number of specially trained staff are taking care of them, and they're staying in rooms with a special controlled airflow system so as to prevent the spread of infectious air. We also know that here in France a special decree has been issued. This is to make it easier and more effective when it comes to isolating people who could have come into contact with the hantavirus. We know now that 22 French nationals were on board one of the 2 flights, so 8 of them on board the flight from St. Helena to Johannesburg and 14 on the flight from Johannesburg to Amsterdam. They are all considered to be contact cases. And this decree, which has been issued, the hantavirus decree here in France, basically makes it compulsory for anyone who may have been in contact with the virus to present themselves to the authorities. A decision will be made on whether or not they should isolate, depending, of course, on how close they will have come or may have come to the virus.
Claire, thanks very much. Claire Paccalin, our reporter, joining us from outside the hospital where that case is being treated there.